Are you still using pen and paper to keep a track of your data, or something more complicated like Google Sheets or Excel? Let me show you how you can use Leo to make your business 10 times more efficient with the help of your smartphone. Hello and welcome to Leo. My name is Kajal and I'm going to guide you on how to use Leo to make your business operations easier. In this video, we will cover creating a file in Leo, sharing files with your team members, task management made easy, setting WhatsApp automation to send automated messages to you or your customers, creating a dashboard to keep a track of your data. Leo is compatible with Android, iOS and web. In this video, we will show you how to use Leo on your mobile phone. Please check our other videos for Leo and web. Leo has 100 plus templates ready to use divided across 30 plus business categories. To get started, you can select your business category and browse through available templates. Now you can click on templates to have a look at all the templates in your business category, or you can change your business category by tapping here and select whatever suits you the best. Disclaimer: browsing these categories can be a little too enticing and you can blame our developers for the same. However, you have a dedicated search bar here where you can simply type for whatever you are looking for and you will find it right here. If you don't see your template, you can create your custom template. Let me show you how you can create your first document. Click on Create New on the bottom right corner. Select New Document. You can name this document whatever you want. Click on Create File and there you go. You have successfully created your first document. By default, you have 3 columns and 10 rows. You can add column by clicking on this plus button and you can add row by tapping on this plus button. Isn't it so simple? In Leo, you can add different kinds of data. For example, mobile number, photo, links, and so on. Now, to edit any column, click on this drop down button right here and you will see different options popping up in front of you. You can rename the column, you can change the column type, etc. Let's say in this column we need our first column to be customer's name. So we will click on rename or edit column. We will name this as customer name. Keep the column type as text only and update column. Let's update our second column to be the customer's mobile number. We will again click on the drop down button, click on rename or edit column. From here we will rename it as mobile number and under the type section we will click on change. Now you can see these are the all different kinds of data that you can put in your Leo document. We will select mobile number, click on next, update column and there you go. The second column is now ready to have mobile numbers of your customers. Let's add one more column as verification document. We will click on the rename button, name it as verification document, click on type and change it to attachment. Click on next, update column and there you go. Isn't this super easy? In just 2 minutes, you have a document that can contain your customer's name, their mobile number and their verification document. Leo allows you to work with your team in real time. You can collect data from your team members or share with them. Let's create our first team. Go to the Teams section, click on the plus button. Let's name this team as Sales Team. Now you can add member by tapping here. You can invite your team member by their mobile number or their email ID. Click on Add to Team. Click on Save Changes. Once you have selected a team member, you can choose their default permission. I will explain more about this later in the video. Once you are ready, you can click on Create. There you go, you have created your first team. Now whatever documents you create under this team will be shared with your team automatically. Isn't it time saving? You can share a document without creating a team as well. Let's go to our first example document. On the top right corner, you can see the share button. When you click on it, you will see all these different options. You can share it with your sales team or whatever team you have created directly, or you can add participants again using their mobile number or email address. Now let's learn different ways of sharing a document. In Leo, you get the full control of who is going to see your data or not. While creating a team or sharing a document, you get these 5 options, namely admin, can edit, can view, entry only, and custom. Now let's learn this one by one. With admin permission, a user can edit, change, or share the document. With edit permission, a user can edit the document, but they cannot share it further. With view permission, a user can only see the document. They cannot make any changes. With entry only permission, a user can only enter data to the selected columns and they can only see the data they have entered. The advanced customize entry option will help you customize the permissions even further. For example, hiding a specific column. Custom permissions gives you the full control. You can select permission for each column. You can either edit, view, or hide individual columns. Your document, your choices. Leo also allows you to manage your tasks easily. You can assign tasks, keep track of pending tasks, and Leo will even send you WhatsApp reminders for your pending tasks. A best friend we all need. To understand this, let's start with a new document. Let's start by adding the first column as the task. Let's rename the second column as assignee, the one who will perform this task. And let's change the column type to assign task. Update column, and there you go. Now let's say we have a task called pitch meeting. Now let's assign the example from our sales team to perform this task. As you can see, I already have his email ID here. Select his email ID, click on next. Now here you can choose your due date. You can choose the priority. Also you can add a note. Let's say don't be late. Click on done. And there you go. You have created your first task list. The assigned person will get a WhatsApp notification along with the task details. Your team members can have a look at all the tasks that they have to perform by clicking on the task section in the bottom. Now as you can see, there are certain filters. For example, overdue, completed, due today, due tomorrow. By clicking on these filters, your team members can simply navigate through a pile of tasks. They will also get reminders on WhatsApp unless the pending task has been completed. Now a task can be marked complete by clicking on the mark complete button right here in the task tab. As soon as you click on the mark complete, the assigner who had created the task will get a notification as well. With WhatsApp automation, you can automate your communication with your customers, which means Leo will send WhatsApp messages to your customers on your behalf. This is going to be a huge time saver. Some examples where you can use WhatsApp automation are sending welcome message, sending confirmation message, order status, and payment reminders, etc. Now let's see how to set up WhatsApp automation in 3 simple steps. For this example, we will go back to the example sheet that we had created earlier. Tap on the purple icon on the top right corner. Click on auto message. Click on trigger when. Now you will see 3 options, namely WhatsApp message on new entry, which means whenever you add a new data, one message will be sent out to that contact number. You can use this trigger to send welcome message. Number 2 is WhatsApp message based on status, in which a new message goes out when the status of a particular column changes. You can use this trigger to send out order status, payment status, etc. Last but not the least, on specific date. This will send out a message on a specific date, and you can use this trigger to send out payment reminders, subscription reminders, etc. For this example, we will select WhatsApp message on new entry. Now as you can see, send message to has already selected mobile number, so you don't need to worry about that. Click on auto message. Now here you will find predefined templates. We will scroll down till we find lead welcome. In case you don't find your desired template, you can always click on request for custom template. For this example, we will click on lead welcome. Now all you have to do is read the custom template and map the values accordingly. For example, the message says dear customer name. So under the customer name, we will select the customer name column. Now as it says further, thank you for your interest in Leo. For any further queries, please feel free to reach out to us at phone number, which means we need to provide our phone number or our support team's phone number here. So under the phone number column, we will enter a custom value, which will be our own phone number. Last but not the least, it talks about some extra information. This can be a discount or a sale that's going on, or this can be any extra information that you want your new lead to know. Again, we will click on custom value and 10% discount for you. Click on the tick button and now click on continue. So this is what the message would look like. You can send a test notification to yourself. Click on done. Click on add automation. Now when you add a new data or a new contact number, you can always see this purple icon on the top left corner, which means the sheet is ready to send an automated message. All you have to do is trigger it by tapping on the purple icon. As you can see, it shows a tick mark, which means we do not have any row left. All your contact details, all your leads have been sent a welcome message. You can also go back to your main menu without tapping on the purple icon, and Leo will make sure that all the new columns or all the new leads receive a welcome message. You can set multiple automations for one single document and as many as you want from your account. And that is the power of automation. Leo Dashboard allows you to be on top of your business. You can create dashboards of any file you want to have a bird's eye view of what's happening around your business. Let's see how to quickly create a dashboard. Creating a dashboard in Leo is very simple. Click on the dashboard tab in the bottom. Click on add dashboard. Now click on choose a document. Let's select cash register for this example. Click on next. Now you will see all the different columns that are present in the document. I will select amount for this example. Click on next. Now you will see three different operations, namely total, average, count. As the name suggests, total is the addition or sum total of all the rows present in the column. You can use this to have a look at your total sales, total expenses, etc. Next we have average, which will give you an average of all the rows present in the selected column. You can use this to get an average idea of all the sales that happened, etc. Last but not the least, we have count. You can use this to have a look at the total leads you have collected or total number of sales you have done. We will select total for this example. Click on next. And there you go. I can have my cash register summary right in front of my eyes. You can further split this data by clicking on add split by. Now since I've already chosen amount for the first example, I am going to choose transaction type. Click on add split by. Click on add to dashboard. So as you can see, I can have a clear view of the amount I have in my cash register. If I click on show details, I can further split this data between cash in and cash out. Again, by clicking on hide, I can hide this data easily. Now using just 3 simple steps, you get your business summary in your dashboard. How efficient and time saving it is. There you go. You are ready to get started with Leo. Don't forget to check our other videos and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned.